Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.